My name is Niyonkuru Alexi. I'm from Group 11. I'm going to make an overview of work done. We have a problem inheritance in Python. First of all, inheritance is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming that allow new class or subclass to inherit attribute and method from an existing class or superclass or parent class. This is an example of syntax used. We can inherit here example like this. That's an example usage of inheritance. Okay, second one you have type type of inheritance. We have single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level, hierarchical, and hybrid inheritances. In single inheritances, a class inherits from only one superclass. Example like this. Here there is only one subclass and the use the use attribute from a parent class like this one. This is an example usage of single inheritance. Second one is multiple inheritance. A multiple inheritance allows subclass to inherit from more than one superclasses. This one have class mammals, have functions, you have aquatic, we have functions, we have class dolphins and there and here class dolphins it can use a class of attribute of mammals and aquatic. That is an example of multiple inheritance. We have multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance here, a subclass inherit from superclass and then another subclass inherit from that subclass, forming a chain. Here it's a multi-level. We have class and they have their functions or method, and that we have another class that use a functions that can use a function of the previous class and they add another. Here we have electrical that will use an attribute from subclass that obtained from parent vehicle, and those electrical class help to use both attribute of vehicle and car functions. That is here. We have hierarchical inheritance. Here in hierarchical inheritance, it's here is a form a chain, means that it use one provide another action or first make another to happen. Yes, that is a hierarchical inheritance. Hybrid, it can combine to one or two more types of inheritance. We have hierarchical inheritance. The here that's one. Animal makes sounds. Dog is animal. Cat is animal. So dog and what made sounds. Where you can split general animal sounds. That that is an hierarchical. I have super function. What is a super function? Super function is to call method and access attribute from superclass within a subclass. Superclass help us to access attribute from parents as a subclass. We use the super function to use how to access attribute from superclass within a subclass. Here is an example of super function like this. I have this. That's an example of super function to access attributes. To access an attributes from subclass within the subclass. That's an example usage. What is override methods or function in Python. Aka subclass provide specific implementation method that is already defined in subclass. Provide a specific works of methods or of function that is not defined per class. That is override. Yes, think it is override. That is how it work. Here another we have this is an example usage. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism, we have seen that it's allow an object of different classes to be treated as an object of common classes. Now it enable a single interface to be used for entities of different types or classes. You can use a single interface to many classes be usable, flexible, and extendability. Polymorphism can work in different ways. Here we have overriding method and the overriding method. Here in overriding, we have seen that provides a specific implementation of method that is already defined in its subclass. That's what we call overriding. Here, overriding not methods in the same way as language like Java or C++. A polymorphism with function and an object. A programming primary means the same function name is being used for different types. Each function is differentiated based on its data types or number of arguments. Encapsulation, as we know, encapsulation is to combine or to take many units, data units, and wrap it into one single data unit. That's what we call encapsulation. It's like a contain. It's like containing many data units into single one. We have setter and getter methods. Getter and setter methods. Getter methods, it return its values. Understandable. While getter, while the getter is to update its values. Getter method return target attribute value, while setter method take a new value and assign to the right attribute. Thank you.